Hey there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Ames and I'm an online course coach and template designer. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you in Canva how to bring in any logo so that you're not having to go search the internet for a logo. So let's say you're trying to create a YouTube thumbnail and you're trying to add logos for maybe a tech tip that you're giving, or maybe you want to add a logo from another company into a presentation or something like that. So this is so simple through the Canva apps feature. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your project and then you're going to search for apps. You're then going to search the word BrandFetch and you're going to add this app into your Canva account. You then will enter a brand name or a URL and it will automatically bring in the brand logo. How cool is that? And it then obviously creates the logo for you. So you can type in YouTube and you'll see all these different YouTube logos that are obviously approved by YouTube. And then you can add that and it will click right into your project. So I hope this was helpful. When I discovered this, I was like, wow, that is so easy and amazing. So I'm definitely going to use this app in the future. So please like and comment and subscribe if you liked this content. I can't wait to bring you more content like this. Thank you.